Hey friends, welcome back to our channel Stock Dr. RR. In this channel, we do pure technical analysis of US as well as Indian stock market. Today we are going to talk about two major indexes of US market, Nifty, Bank Nifty. I'm going to recommend 5 stocks which I can see they can be a potential runner for the next week, and 6 stocks which you guys asked me to analyze. So friends, as I said last time also, before we do analysis of Indian stock market, we should do the analysis of US stock market, especially Nasdaq, Dow Jones and S&P 500. The video for next week's Nasdaq, Dow Jones and S&P 500 levels is out here. You can see here. US market has also given a fantastic monthly closing for Nasdaq, Dow Jones and S&P 500. Do watch this video also, so you will get the understanding where our Indian market is trying to go from here. Now, in case you have not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel right now. Hit the bell icon so you will get the notification of all future videos which I'm going to make. So let's go and see the trading view. Now this is the Nifty chart. You can see here Nifty has given non-stop rally in last 3 sessions from 16,450 to almost 17,150. This was a straight 7 to 800 points upside Nifty has given. Now if you see here, Nifty has the next resistance coming around 17,250. If we make it in the hourly chart, you can see here the next resistance is coming around 17,250, which is a very small resistance which can be easily Nifty will break if the stocks in the index starts running on Monday. So now what we have to do if we are a trader in the Nifty or Bank Nifty. So for Nifty, we need to see if Nifty starts trading and closing above 17,250. If it starts trading and closing above that, then the first target is coming around 17,400 and second target is coming around 17,600. Now, have we come out of the bear market? Still, I think we have not come out of the bear market. Now, what is the level where we think that Nifty is came out the bear market and the market is, uh, you know, market has given all the down levels which it wanted to, and market might start going up again. For that, we need to watch this trend line. Now, where this trend line is going to break for the resistance, this is the trend line resistance. First resistance it got here, second it got here, third it had here, and fourth is coming around somewhere between 17,600 and above. So for example, suppose if market opens like this on Monday, or maybe it goes like this and this, and it break like this, then we will say that market has break its trend line resistance, and from there we can talk about the new targets in the market. But right now this might be a upside in the bear market. Now where this upside can go more, if we sustain above these levels which I mentioned previously, market can make the top like this and then again start bottoming again. This might be possibilities. So for that we need to check, or we need to see how the data flows. Now when we are bearish again in the Nifty, we will be bearish in the Nifty below 17,000. This is this red line. So if tomorrow market open anywhere, okay, I don't know, you don't know, if market open here or market open below this or like this and then starts going down, then on breaking and sustaining below 17,000, we might see the first level of 16,750 and second level of 16,500. These are the three levels which I can see for the downside. Now if we see the weekly chart of Nifty, weekly chart looks strong. but here it has not created any pattern, because already from last few weeks Nifty is going up. If we see the monthly chart, in the monthly chart Nifty has created a bullish engulfing pattern, the same way which Nasdaq, Dow Jones and S&P 500 has created. The same pattern is created here. So monthly candle looks very bullish at this point of time, but we really need to see if Nifty is sustaining above the levels which I have given, and if Nifty starts going below 17,000, then we know Nifty can go below all these levels. The next index we are going to talk about is Bank Nifty. Now, you can see here Bank Nifty had the trend line resistance on these levels. The first, second and third, it has broke here, and Bank Nifty is above the trend line resistance. So as compared to Nifty, Bank Nifty looks very strong right now. But the important point, on Friday, Bank Nifty, from the point where it started, it went down half of its value at the time of closing. So we need to be cautious on the Bank Nifty. Definitely Bank Nifty has broken the trend line resistance, but the possibility is there. Bank Nifty, if starts trading below 37,400, this is the level. If it starts trading and sustaining below 37,400, then it can give you 500 point downside, which is around 36,900, and the second target would be 36,250, from where it gave the breakout. So this might be a healthy pullback, like after the breakout it made this upside and then went down, and then again it might start going up from there. So this is the downside levels which we discussed. Now for the Bank Nifty, I will be bullish only above, if it starts trading above 38,000. This is the level. Once Bank Nifty starts trading above 38,000, then I will talk about the next 400 point, 38,400. And if it sustain above that, then the higher targets are coming. That is almost like 38,800 will be the next target. So these are the levels for the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, if it sustains above 38,000, then I will look for 38,400 and 38,800, because right now market is showing a strength on the weekly and monthly candle or time frame, or on daily, but you can see the RSI is exhausted. RSI is almost above 70, and this is applicable for Bank Nifty and Nifty also. For the Nifty, you can see the RSI is almost above 73. So we need to be watch and carefully, and then if the risk reward ratio is good, then we need to take the trade. So I want to discuss 5 stocks which I think they can give a very good upside in the coming days. The first stock I am going to talk is Dr. Lal Path Labs. You can see here it has given a good breakout on the daily time frame. It came out of this channel. It was trading in this channel. It has given the breakout in this channel. Now high possibility that if it stays above 2250, if it stays above this 2250 number, if it stays above 2250, then just a moment, if it stays above this 2250, then high possibility that it can travel till 2500, and I am seeing the stop loss in this stock around 2130. If the stocks close below 2130, then it might go down again, but right now looking at this breakout candle, high possibility that it can go towards 2500. The first immediate target, short term target, will be 2400, then the next is 2500. The next stock we are going to see is Gmr Infra. For the Gmr Infra, you can see a very important point. It has broken the trend line resistance which was there from February month. These were the trend line resistance. It broke this trend line resistance on the Friday's closing, as well as it has broken the short-term channel. So for this stock, 35.50, I can see a strong support, and high probability that if you get this stock on Monday around 37 or 36.5 or 36 also, like it retrace from here, and then it can go back toward 38.75 and $41 rupees. These are the two targets which I am seeing. Immediate target is 38.75. The stop loss is around 35.50. The next stock is IRCTC. IRCTC has given a very good breakout and with very good volume. You can see here the first target I can see around 665. 665 would be the first target. Second target is 700. And for this stock, the stop loss will be around 600. So it has closed around 637. It might, on the opening on Monday, it might start going up like this, or the possibility that it can retest the breakout level till 610, 620, 610. Then from there also it can give a upside. So either one can buy once it starts going up above 300 and 640, or one can buy near 620 if it gives a retracement. But for this stock, 600 will be the stop loss. Next stock we have is Sunpharma. Very good breakout it has given. Very good red green candle and with good volume. I think it given a result on last Friday. I can see two targets for this stock. First around 960 and second around 1000. So just a moment, let me adjust the chart. First I am seeing around 960 and second around 1000. But now buying on this level where it closed 940 can be a good idea if you're buying in the batches, like first batch is around this level and second batch if it give a retracement up to 900, and then from there it take a U-turn. So these are the two ideas. First should we buy where it opens on Monday, and second on the retracements if it comes down. And the stop loss for this trade will be almost 880. 880 will be the stop loss for this trade. The next trade we have is Rain Industries. It has given a very good breakout. Same idea, triangular pattern breakout. The first target will be 183 and the second target is 192. It is good idea if one can buy on the retracement. And for this stock, the stop loss is coming around 160 rupees. 160 rupees can be the stop loss for this stock. So before you take any trading or investing decision, try to check what is your risk and reward, and if it's favorable, then only take the positions. The next 6 stocks which you guys asked me to analyze, the first is NTPC. NTPC has given a flag breakout on the hourly chart. You can see here on the hourly chart it has given a very nice flag breakout, and from there it retraced. You can see it is a very good flag breakout and then retraced, which I always when I see a flag breakout or any breakout and then retracement, then I think that is always a best place where one should place their trades. So for the NTPC, you can see here the first target is 160, but when one should buy the NTPC once it starts trading above 154.5. 154.5. The reason is if it starts trading above that, then there is a trend line breakout also happening. So two things, flag breakout as well as trend line breakout. So the high probability that it will go to 160, 164 and 166. These are the three levels, and the stop loss is coming around 150 rupees. Next stock we have Coal India. Coal India is also given a breakout, and I think Coal India has given a breakout of almost 4 years, 5 years. After 5 years, the Coal India has given a breakout. So this looks very promising, but same pattern we need to buy on the level where it closed, as well as on any retracement. Remember, my friends, when any stock give a breakout, big breakout, high possibility that it gives a retracement. So for this stock, it is a buy now at 211 up to 205 levels, and then the targets are 280, 223, 229 and 234. And for this trade, the stop loss is coming below 200 rupees. The next stock we have is IndusInd Bank. For IndusInd Bank, you can see here it has already given a breakout 5 days back. We are late now because right now high possibility that after this big run up, the stock might give a retracement till 920, 950 levels, and then it might starts going up from here for these levels. Or if the stock starts trading above 1060, then that can be a best situation where your risk reward is good, and you can place a bet for 1120, 1175 and 1210. Now for this stock, the stop loss is coming below 900 rupees. So this is very important. Right now stock is at 1045. If it comes around 950, 925, it's a very good area to buy here. Or if it starts trading above 1060, one can buy there. The next stock we have Exide Industries. For Exide Industries, very interesting pattern. Long-term resistance breakout here, and as well as flag breakout on the shorter time frame. I am seeing a very good targets in this stock. One should hold it if somebody is having, or one can make a position in this stock. The first target is around 162, the second is 168, and third is 181. The stop loss for this trade is coming around 149. Below 149 is the stop loss for this stock. The next stock we have is Tanla Solutions. For the Tanla Solutions, I don't see a very any promising price action or pattern, but if this upside of the last week continues, then the first target is coming around 710, second is 731, and third is 750. Remember, my friends, on the weekly chart, this stock is highly beaten with very high volume. So I will avoid, or I will ask you guys to avoid taking the position for the upside. The next stock we have is Babak Limited. I don't see any clear pattern for this stock now, but somebody asked me, so I am just giving a levels. This stock has a resistance of 260. If it starts trading about 260, then it can go towards 285, and this stock has a support around 225. If it starts trading below 225, then it can go to 200 and 185. 200 and 185. Friends, if you do your own analysis on other stocks, you will see most of the stocks has given a breakout or a very good run. So this week we might get a very good opportunity to buy some stocks and book quick profits. So but this week, whatever positions you take, don't take them for the longer investment, because still the picture is not clear. We need to, for the, as I shown here on the Nifty, the resistance, trend line resistance has not broke yet. If that gets break, then we can change our view on the market. So till that, just be a trader. Check your risk reward ratio. If you are risking less and you are getting good reward, then it's a good idea to be a trader than be a accidental investor. So with this, I would like to conclude this video. I hope you guys learned something out of it. uh, you know don't forget to subscribe to this channel. uh, Hit the bell icon for the future notifications. Like this channel, comment on the video, and share it with your friends and family members. And last but not least, let's learn and earn together. Trade safe, my friends.